Good day, sir. My name is Lim Wei Yi and my metric number is 261307. Today I'm going to demo about a Telegram bot system which developed by using Java and Maven programming language. In this video, I'm going to demo the system first and make explanation later. Without further ado, let's start the system. The system is running now. And let us search the Telegram bot. And here it is. In this Telegram bot, the user can enter the metric number to find the students' info, count the number of students who have submitted, list the students who did not submit, and also list the extracted YouTube channels info. For the user manual, the user is required to press Start button or enter the stroke Start to start the system. Secondly, the user can enter stroke menu to display the menu. Later on, the user can select the number, press Send button, and the bot will display the relevant result on the screen. So let us start the system. After that, the system will pop up the system menu. First of all, let us enter the metric number. After we have inserted the correct metric number, the system will pop up the result which contain of the name, GitHub ID, and the YouTube link of the video about me of the students whose metric number is 261307. If we enter a metric number which does not consist in the system, an error message will be shown. Or else, if we enter a string value, another error message will be shown as well. Next, if the user wants to view the menu again, just key in the stroke menu and the menu will pop up. If we enter the stroke 2, it will show the number of the total of the student in the list, which is 29. Next, if we enter stroke 3, and here is the total number of the students who have submitted the GitHub account, which is 28. For stroke 4, it will display the total number of the students who have submitted the YouTube video, which is 22. For stroke 5, it will show the students who did not submit the GitHub account. For stroke 6, it will display the students who did not submit the YouTube video, and here is the students list. For stroke 7, it will display the information about the YouTube channel of the students who have submitted their YouTube video link. In the result, it consists the student's metric number, name, channel name, and the channel link. In order to quit the system, the user may enter stroke 8 to exit, and a thank you message will be shown. Well, if the user wants to restart the system again, the user may enter stroke Start, and the system menu will be pop up again. Next, I'm going to explain the coding in the system. This system is built up by using 10 classes, and the data is saved in the SQLite tables. So first of all, in the app class, this is the main class that controls the activities of the whole system. In this class, it contains 3 methods, which are the connect JDBC, main, and the menu method. The system will start running from the main method first in order to run the Telegram bot API, which store in the S261307 bot class. For the menu method, it will read the rest of the class in order to get the data. In the read GitHub class, this is the class which used for reading the GitHub account by web scraping it via the GitHub page URL by using RESUB. And after the data is extracted for the GitHub page URL, the data will be saved into the GitHub list database. And this is the data. Next, in the regex matches class, this class is for matching the pattern by searching the relevant GitHub link based on the pattern format. And the GitHub link will be get from the read GitHub class. After the pattern and the match of the link, and the result will be returned back to the read GitHub class with true or false. Next, in the read YouTube class, this class is for reading the YouTube info by web scraping the YouTube video link and the YouTube channel's info via the YouTube issue page URL by using JSoup. And later on, the result will be saved into the YouTube list database. In the Read Stud List class, this class is for reading the student list by web scraping the data via the stud list URL by using JSoup, and later on, the data will be saved into the stud list database. In the Compare Submit GH class, this class is for comparing the student's GitHub account submission status from the status list and insert the data into the Submit G list and not Submit G list respectively. For information, the Submit G list will contain the students who have submitted the GitHub link. Whereas, for the not Submit G list, it will contain the students who didn't submit the GitHub link. Next, in the Compare Submit YT class, this class is for comparing the students' YouTube video submission status from the status list and insert the data into the Submit Y list and not Submit Y list respectively. Likewise, the Submit Y list will contain the student's data who have submitted the YouTube link. And it goes conversely for the not Submit Y list table. Next, in the Count List class, this class is for counting the lists from 3 tables, which are the Stud List table, Submit G List table, and the YouTube List table. And later on, this class will return the relevant number of the count back to the system, and the system will display the result. Last but not least, in the S261307 bot class, this class is for executing the Telegram bot. And in this class, it will control the command that inserted by the user, and the system will base on the command to display the relevant result. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.